Well, hello guys, it's me Zach Unix here, and today we will be playing Subway Surfers. It's been forever since I played it. So, let's get into this. Sorry for me not uploading that much. Now I don't even know if I'm recording. Am I? Should I? Yes, I am. I think I just died. I know. Sorry if you hear a fan in the background. It's like really hot in my house. So let's see how far you can get. This could be an episode that like never died. Like we don't die. Make it to a million. If you can making it to a million takes a long time. It takes like 20 minutes. What are the missions you gotta do? So get 10 character tokens from the mystery box. 7 left. Buy 6 mystery boxes. 6 left. Bump into light signals. 19 left. The light signals are the hardest ones. Well, I think they are. Boom. Boom. Just don't know why, but my game's not that loud at all. No missions. I might just buy them. Cause YOLO. 4,000 freaking scars. Jump 50 times. Use 12 hoverboards. Okay, that's pretty freaking easy. I can do this like in a normal run. Okay. Hoverboard. Okay. Oh, I'm surprised I didn't die right there. Yeah, I'm really sorry for the lack of uploads that's happening. Okay, I'm gonna at least try to upload like I'm gonna try to upload a video a day. Like if my phone like doesn't die on me because it's about to die. But it's not about to die, so 50%. It's pretty decent charge. Oh, nearly died. Oh no. How many more times I got? Oh wow. I need to do one more jump. Come on, man. Okay, now I gotta use 12 hoverboards. And 4 of them I can crash. Speed of ones when I use hoverboards are pretty I assume not to crash when I use them. It's been freaking ever since I played this game. It's been since the last time I uploaded a video, that's how long it's been. So we're still trying to get every single character in the game that you can buy with coins. I think this is gonna be free to play. Well, it's not free to play right now because I already spent freaking like $5 on it. Well, yeah, that's pretty much. You gotta try to get every single character. I do not know what I'm trying to get right now. What I know, I'm trying to get every character. The hardest one I think is gonna be is getting the very last character. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Um, two more. I gotta use eight more. Sorry if I'm not talking that much. I'm just concentrating, trying not to die. The board I'm going to get next, or that I want to get, is the other fast one that costs like 250,000. I'm trying to remember the name, but I can't remember it. But who cares? If I don't crash, I'm. If I don't crash, I'm. No, he won't. I don't know why it's not like that. Yeah. It'd be a lot better if you could like upgrade the time. Like yeah, hoverboard time. Like if you just upgrade it, like the longer it lasts, that'd be pretty cool if you could do that. I need six more. That's a lot. Five more now. Three more now. Oh no, I missed the jetpack. Two more now. Um, oh yeah, we're close to 150 subscribers. Once I reach that 150 mark, it's gonna be the special. I'm not saying. All I'm gonna do is make it like an hour, like 30-minute video, probably just an hour long. One of me like playing games. Each one of them 30 minutes long. I don't know why they made the. Oh no, I don't know why they made the jumping thing so short. I don't know why. That was just like instant. Oh my gosh, I don't know when I got boots. I just tried to use a hoverboard when I already had one. I forgot I had one on. And sooner or later, I will be making like videos on my PS3. That's what, once I get Elgato or capture card, I will be doing that. So, let's be ready for that. Cause those cost like $150. So I'm like nowhere near close to. Well, I got the birthday coming up in a month. It's gonna be really awesome. I don't really want anything else but money. Cause you got everything I want right now. Only else thing I want is iPhone 6 Plus. I just don't know why, but the iPhone 6s are so small. They're smaller than my phone. I want iPhone 6 Plus. Key. I got the key. Did I already finish the mission? Yes, I did. Okay, so collect 750 coins in one run, easy. Stumble into 25 barrier score. Okay. Stumble. Is that the barrier? No. What the heck is a barrier? Oh, that's a barrier. Okay, I'm stupid. Oh no, what's that? Tap tap tap. Trophy. Yay. Oh yeah, that's weird. How long have we been recording? Probably not that long at all. 10 minutes. Let's go again. I don't like it when you start like this so slow. You start going. It is so slow just when you start. I don't know if I should like put in the comments if you guys think I should make a second channel and what it should be about. And I will just randomly pick one and I will do it. Like you can pick the channel name too. And it can't be anything stupid. Because if it is, I'm just gonna make my own. Oh wow. Oh my gosh. All of the stuff stuck in one run. How many coins I got? 10,000? No. Good. Okay, my jetpack. But then I did a little. I want to buy more hover. I'm not buying too many right now. Because I want to save my coins. And I will be doing some playing offline. Like, not recording. Like, only I'm gonna be trying to do is just get a lot of coins. Most of my coins I think I have I had was like 80,000. Like no, like 85,000. Cause that's where I bought the coins. Yeah. So I've been talking that much because I'm not concentrating right now. I'm just concentrating a little bit, not like a lot. If I was really concentrating, I wouldn't be like talking at all. Well, I'm really concentrating. I've been like trying to make it to like a million plus. Like I remember in one of my episodes, I made it to a million and like, I'm out dying. When I started recording, someone my brother he walked in the door and he made me kill myself. Right middle record while I was recording. I like the jetpacks the most. Oh yes. I thought double coins wouldn't work on missions. Oh, apparently did. And sooner or later I will be doing giveaways. I still don't know how. If you guys know like a way to do a giveaway, like what I should do, put it in the comment section below, and I will like try to do it. Like once I start to do a giveaway, I will do that method. Like it's probably like this. Like someone pick a number like 1 through 100 or 1 through 1,000. Whoever gets the closest or it correct wins like $10 to $20 gift card giveaway for my first one. It's gonna be really simple for my first one. Then they're gonna I'm just gonna send it. Oh yeah, and once you do it, put your email there too. Put your email in the comment. When you do your number is gonna be like put in your email there too. That's probably what I'm gonna do. I don't know yet. What else do I get to do for missions? Oh no, I don't want that. I have 2 hoverboards left. Dramatic. Get that. Oh, I missed it. Like when I play a game, I normally get 2,500. Like that's why I'm not trying that much. Oh no, I didn't. Look at the recording. But it's that long. Well, might as well just end the video here today, guys. So, let me like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next one. I'm out. I don't know if that even worked. No, it did not work. So I'm feeling salty. So I'm sorry about that, guys. So like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next one. This is Axie I'm in and I'm out. I'm in and I'm out.